Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of angioplasty. Angioplasty is a procedure used to open clogged heart arteries. If you've ever wondered how doctors clear those blockages and restore blood flow, stick around. So, let's start with the basics. Imagine your arteries like highways. Over time, these highways can get blocked by cholesterol and fatty deposits known as plaque. This is where angioplasty comes in. It's like sending a road crew to clear the traffic jam. First, the patient is prepped and a local anesthetic is applied to the wrist. Why the wrist? It's less invasive and allows for a quicker recovery compared to accessing through the groin. Next, a tiny incision is made and a catheter, a thin, flexible tube, is inserted into the artery in the wrist. This is where the magic begins. The catheter is gently guided up through the arm and towards the heart. It's a bit like threading a needle. Using real-time X-ray imaging, the doctor navigates the catheter through the maze of arteries. Now this part is fascinating. As the catheter reaches the site of the blockage, a small balloon at its tip is inflated. This balloon pushes the plaque against the artery walls, making room for blood to flow freely again. In some cases, a stent, a tiny wire mesh tube, might be placed at the site of the blockage. The stent acts as a scaffold, keeping the artery open long-term. Once the blockage is cleared and the stent is in place, the balloon is deflated and removed, leaving the stent behind. The catheter is carefully withdrawn, and the incision in the wrist is sealed. After the procedure, patients are usually monitored for a few hours before going home the same day or the next. It's incredible how far medical technology has come. So, there you have it. A quick look inside an angioplasty procedure. It's truly amazing how something as small as a catheter can have such a big impact on health. If you found this informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of medicine. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.